In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Sony WH-CH710N. These are wireless noise cancelling stereo headsets. On the box, we can see that these are wireless and noise cancelling. They also have 35 hours of battery life and they are Bluetooth. Let's look at the box for some more specifications. At the back, you see that we have a music playback time of a max of 35 hours. And you also get fast charge where 10 minutes of charge gives you around 1 hour of playtime. You also have a controllable ambient mode with ambient sound mode and noise cancelling, so you can switch between them. And you also have hands-free calling with HD voice and voice assistant function, which is compatible with Siri, Google Assistant and others. You also get a USB Type-C cable and a headphone cable for use as well. So now let's look inside the box and see what we have here. So what we have here is a reference guide in several different languages. Next, you have a user guide, operating instructions, so you can see how to use the headphones. Let's set this aside as well. In here we have a USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable. It's pretty short. Here you also have an aux cable, which is a 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm. You can see one side is L-shaped, so you can easily hold it when you're playing games or watching when using it with a mobile phone or a tablet. That's pretty convenient. And the cable is also pretty long, as you can see here. So let's set this aside as well. And now let's look at the headset. So as you can see, the headset has the Sony logo right here, and it has a matte black textured finish on the cups. It has a soft foam padding on the headband, so it should be pretty comfortable to use. And you can also extend the headband, meaning heads of different sizes should be able to fit in pretty easily. The headset can't be folded in, so you cannot carry it like that. But the ear cups do rotate 90 degrees, so you can just adjust them like that when you're wearing it around your neck, and they just sit flat on your chest, which is great. Here you can see we have an NFC logo, so it can be connected via NFC too. Now let's look at the bottom. Here we have some controls. First off, we have the power button and an LED light right next to it. Right here we have a USB Type-C port for charging. Right next to it we have an aux port, which is basically to listen to music in a wired fashion using the cable right here. On this side we have a button that switches between noise cancellation and ambient mode. Then you also have the volume plus and volume minus button here, and a multi-function button in the middle. And the padding on the cups is pretty plush, so they should be comfortable over long periods of time. You also have left and right indicators to let you know which side goes where. And that's about it. They feel like really sturdy and robust and well-built earphones. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Sony WH-CH710N wireless headsets. Thank you so much for watching this video.